How to do a refund on Moneris account. First, open your Moneris terminal and go to the Orders or Transactions section. Scroll and find the sale you want to refund. Tap the transaction to see details like amount, items, and payment method. Now tap Refund or Initiate Return. Choose if you want a full refund or only a partial refund. For a full refund, just confirm the total. For a partial refund, select only the items or enter the amount you want to return. If the customer paid by card, they may need to tap or insert their card again. Some devices may also ask for the authorization number from the receipt. Review the details and tap Confirm. The terminal will process the refund and show a success message. Now print the refund receipt or send it to your customer by email or SMS. And that's how you do a refund on a Moneris account. See the customer support if you need more help. Thanks for watching.